Elon Musk's private jet reportedly cost up to $70 million. That is just the entry fee. Flight tracking researchers estimate the real annual cost, fuel, crew, maintenance, runs into the millions more every single year. Here is what is actually verified and what is estimate. Multiple mainstream outlets, including Business Insider and the South China Morning Post, identify Musk's primary large cabin jet as a Gulfstream G650ER, purchased around 2016. The G650ER's new list price is commonly reported at $66.5 to $70 million. This places it among the most expensive private jets owned by any billionaire, rather than a smaller or shared aircraft, which many wealthy owners choose instead. Industry cost summaries, cited across aviation and finance reporting, estimate the G650ER's variable operating cost, fuel, maintenance, crew, at roughly $5,000 to $8,000 per flight hour. At a typical large cabin utilization of 200 to 400 hours per year, total annual cost estimates land between $1.5 and $4 million or more, once fixed costs like insurance, hangar fees, and pilot salaries are included. These are industry estimates, not figures published by Musk himself. Public flight tracking analysis, summarized by Business Insider using data from the researcher group JetSpy, found Musk's jets logged roughly 441 flights and over 100 flight hours across his fleet in 2023. One G650ER alone recorded approximately 246 flights and around 630 hours that year. That volume of logged hours is notably higher than the occasional personal use reported for many billionaire-owned jets, pointing to consistent, frequent operational use rather than rare trips. Using that same tracked flight data, the JetSpy analysis estimated roughly 538,957 gallons of fuel consumed and approximately 5,159 metric tons of CO2 across Musk's fleet in 2023. These figures are derived from observed flight movements and industry fuel burn models, not from any audited or published owner data. But the scale itself is significant. It places this level of private jet use well above the typical single-digit annual flight hours reported for many ultra-wealthy private jet owners. The purchase price is verified. The operating costs, flight hours, and emissions are researcher estimates based on public tracking, not Musk's own published figures. Either way, the scale tells its own story. Subscribe to the Billionaire Travel Secrets. Every week, one more verified story from how the ultra-wealthy actually travel.